Good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 21st, 2025. And I am here at Port 32 Marina. And this is an inspection video for Sarpedon, just to see if there is any growth on the bottom. Well, there is a lot of growth, a lot more slimy growth, but also some hard growth, especially on the running gear. So I'm going to go ahead and send this over to Dane, and he'll talk with you guys about us potentially coming out here before you guys leave. Alrighty, thank you for choosing DS Dive.